My name is Cindy Gray, and I volunteered for Linda Ross because I knew she was running for the Central Committee, and she's a friend of mine. And I had a great experience distributing flyers. I just did it quickly. I didn't really see anybody, but when I did, I said, hello, please read this, check it out, and see what is going on in the Republican arena in San Jose. We've lived here since 1972. Probably I've seen a lot of population increase. Lately I've been seeing not what I really want to see in California, like dirty highways, trash all over, homeless people, people not really caring about their environment. And I think the Republican viewpoint and the Republican ideals are what we need again. And I'm just very right-wing in that area. And I think with more Republicans in this, in the Central Committee and in the government of this city, we're going to see a lot of improvement.